Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talk about AI, and AI scares a lot of people. We also talk about how a lot of people think that there's nothing AI that should be in PCs or in computers, that we don't need anything. I disagree with that because AI, as it's getting more powerful, it's not just a bad thing. There's good sides to it. One example of that might be coming to Edge and Google Chrome browsers is a AI that would check for scareware and for anything that is web pages that are scams of all sorts that could pop up on your browser. And because AI has this way of really kind of understanding, if we want to say it that way, or analyzing the scams themselves, rather than just doing because right now the browsers, what they do is simply look at a list of known bad sites and block. But the problem is there are a lot of sites that are not listed, still go through, and you might have scareware, which is, for example, a pop-up of, oh, by the way, your computer is infected and there's a fake scan going on, and they want you to call a number or click here to install something. Well, if it goes through, it could technically scare a user that is unaware that that's bad, and kind of have some bad things happen. So there's a Twitter user that actually is looking at the different settings. Leo Pivot 64 is the user, and he's showing that in a future version of Edge, we'll have a scareware blocker that will be turned on if you want. This would enable the browser to stop the scareware. It wouldn't show up, rather than right now showing up because it might not be in a block list. Chrome will also use AI to detect security threats in their browser. So he talks about that here. I'll share the link to his Twitter account if you want to check it out. He's got a lot of info, very often that interesting info about things that he's searching for. So basically, AI can be used for security, and it will have to be used for security. I think using it in this way, by recognizing and blocking bad things on the browser, is actually a good way of using AI. And I'm sure a lot of people will probably avoid being infected by something or being scammed online, because AI will actually recognize the stuff that shouldn't appear on your browser and that shouldn't be there. So this is the good side of AI. It's not, I know a lot of people are not necessarily super happy with AI, but I think it's an understanding of how it can be used. And when it's used for good, like here, it is a good idea, and AI is useful. So this is, I'll show the link anyways to his account. If you want to check it out, you'll have lots of information, lots of things that he's sharing and he's looking at. So check it out, Leo Piva 64. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.